We start with daily chart. I want to see how we can look at the chart. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned we expecting the price drop to 2 and 25.2. If there is a breakout of the first support, the next one I'm looking for is 22.5. All right. Anyway, as we can see, the price even broke 22.5. Now, if there is a continuation, if then for the second time the price break 22.5, even we can expect the price drop to 19.8. Okay, now the only question is whether this is the correction we're looking for and we can expect the price to reverse from here or not. First things, if this is the start of the reversal, I mean, we're talking about the option whether this is the start of the reversal or we can put this correction relative to this, because most of the chart they have a similar movement, and right now we need to be quite careful about this. That's mean if we get one more drop, then from there, we can refer to the indicators. Any reversal from there, we will take the trade. This is the best option we can look for because it can give us better confirmation, and we cannot call this one as a three waves since we don't have a divergence. We cannot call it an ABC. That means if the price reverse from here, any trade we consider as a short term, because in a bigger picture, we can expect this one to give us one more drop. And beside that, why we want to get one more drop? Because we need to confirm this is the correction in relative to this. That's meaning we need to get one more drop with a divergence for reversal if we want to look for buy. How about if this is the bigger correction and the price is going to retest the previous low, the lowest price based on this correction, which is somewhere around 13. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful because we look at, I'm talking if we want to look for buy for the long term, not the short term. Anyway, we move to forward chart. And right now, based on forward chart, we can expect this one turn to a flat as well for one more drop. That's why we want to see whether the price can break 25.2 or not. If there is a continuation with the breakout of 25.2, any trade for buy above that, we will take the trade. That's maybe if we get any trades at all for buy, we will take it. But how about if the price tag, we see there is not moving, any sell, that's maybe if the price couldn't break any sell, we will take it because what we have here is a flat. All right. And how about even we can expect this one to a more complex correction, but from what we see right now, if the price cannot break 25.2, we can consider this one as a flat. Any sell, we will take it. All right. But now we don't see any trade either for buy or sell. If I move to 1 hour chart, can we look for buy from here? It's not a really good trade setup at all because how about the price tag and drop? All right. The only times we can look for buy if this one turns to DP correction, if we consider this one as a running flat. Anyway, any trade within this one is not a really good idea. That's why if we see the confirmation for the breakout of the 25.2 or the previous top, then as a short move, any flag from there or correction, we will take the trade if we want to look for buy. But how about if the price tag we see is not moving, or we cannot see the breakout, or if there is a continuation as a corrective move, any sharp move flag, this is where we take the sell. Why? Because we can look at this one as a flat three-way flat as a correction. All right. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to see the breakout of this. Okay. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. But as I mentioned, we are more interested to look for buy. But if we want to look for buy as a long term, the best possibility is if I move to forward chart. If we want to talk about the best possibility, we want this one to put in relative to this for one more drop with a divergence, either even forward on the daily. We prefer to get if we get the divergence based on daily chart as well. Then any reversal from there, we will take it for long term. Rather than that, any trade is a short term trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.